Hello everyone, coming to you from Honolulu, Hawaii, October 27th, about 6:30 Hawaiian Standard Time. And this is the Bitcoin Minute. What a week in Bitcoin. It ended on such a ecstatic note that we are still seeing prices currently now trading just at this historically significant $9,700 level. It was above it earlier and it is just at it right now on a daily chart. Let's look at a 5-minute. On a 5-minute chart, you could see that it has surpassed it. What I do want to bring up is this gap right here. If we take a look at the spot market real quick, let me pull that up. Now we're looking at a live or spot chart of Bitcoin, thanks to our friends at Kitco. Really, it was not just the price spikes, but the price spikes that went along with spikes in volume that got my attention. And if you noticed, all of the real upside action happened on the 25th, being Friday. So the gap in the CME's chart is kind of misleading. And here we are on a daily candlestick chart of the spot markets, and it illustrates the tremendous action we had this weekend. You can see that this candle right here represents Friday, and a lot of people are crediting this rally with Friday's announcement by China's president that they were embracing blockchain technology. And many analysts are arguing whether or not this is the reason for this current rally. And many analysts are arguing this fact that it could have been kicked off by Xi Jinping's announcement. Whatever the case, something happened on Friday that sparked a massive rally that is consolidating at approximately $9,600. Back to our futures charts. We are back to looking at futures on the CME. This is a 5-minute candlestick chart. You can see this weekend's gap right here and last weekend's gap represented right here. And this is our trend line right here in black. Illustrated is Wednesday's plummet beneath that price point. And you can see how it stayed below it on Thursday. But to see where it really bounced off of, we're going to have to turn to a daily chart. And here's our daily candlestick chart with our fib levels in here. You can see that on Wednesday, after bombing beneath our trend line, we found support at the 200-day moving average. And we had a doji, which often symbolizes a pivot point, come in on Thursday. And lo and behold, Friday, boom, skyrocketed right above that line. We found resistance at the 100-day moving average. And you can really see how the 200-day moving average certainly acted as a strong support area, and Bitcoin found really good footing there. Now, if we look at a few more technical indicators as we widen this chart out, we are looking at volume as well as the RSI. First, I want to mention volume, and that for the first time in a long time, we had a big green spike. And if we were looking at the spot markets, this would be an even more outlandishly positive spike in buying. Now, on the relative strength index, we have shot up from the bottom, which we were sitting on for a few weeks, and we still have a little bit of room to go. That's why I'm thinking that this trend will continue for a little bit longer at least, breaking 10,000 and finding resistance at the 38% retracement, but we'll have to see. Either way, this market will definitely have something for you, whether it is throwing you for a trick or giving you a treat. This is Joseph Wagner. We'll talk to you next week.